What's up, Party Rental people? It's your boy Justin from Party Rental Knowledge. If you don't know, I help teach tips and tricks on the party rental industry. Today, I'm going to show you a video on how to make more money with add-ons. So you're probably thinking to yourself, oh, what is an add-on? Well, an add-on is something you add on to what you're already doing to make you more money. So if you're already going to the place and you could just add something on, well, that's where your main cost is, actually going to these places. All right, some examples of add-ons. You could add that patio heater to any tent or a party that's going on later at night. You could add games to a tent company or a bounce house company. We got Jenga over there. We got cornhole. We got Yahtzee. We got a blow-up basketball hoop you can use as an add-on. There's a bunch of different types of add-ons. How about a cocktail table is an add-on? How about a dunk tank is an add-on? Like, add-ons don't just have to be small things. We got your snow cone machine. This is my favorite snow cone machine, by the way, you guys and girls. But look at cocktail table. That's an add-on. These are all things you could just sit there. They're only renting the tent. They're only renting the bounce house. But if you have a bunch of other stuff that they can rent too to make their party more special and their event more special and other things they can do, that makes it more fun. And it makes more money in your pocket because you're already going there to bring this there, or you're already going there to bring a tent there. So the more stuff you bring, as long as you don't bring more than a trailer load full, you're pretty much just making more money. So upselling and add-ons are the same thing, in my opinion. You could try and upsell them to a bigger bounce house and then add something on as an upsell too. They're very similar in nature. So now, if somebody's already getting one bounce house and you're already going there, why not offer them 25 to 50% off to go there? Because just for the second one, it doesn't take that much longer to set it up in two than it does one. And most of the travel time, or most of the money, is spent on travel time. Is literally spent in the truck is half of your expenses to setting up that bounce house or tent. Alrighty, so the best advice right now that I can give you for these add-ons, to not overbook yourself and make yourself have to buy a bunch of these unnecessarily. You're going to end up having two things as cornhole instead of just one when you don't really need them, or having multiple items when you really don't need them. You can have a bunch of separate items and organize it so that they all go out on the same day, but to separate places. And then you're not overbooking it, because if you start trying to get cornhole on the phone to every single person, well, you're going to end up having to have a lot of cornholes. So you want to have different add-ons to different people. And then you got to have tracking to where, okay, it's on this date, so I have available this date, but then I don't have available that date. It's very, very hard to do on the phone, for what I'm saying. You're going to overbook yourself if you try to sell a bunch of add-ons over the phone. The best thing you're going to want to do is go get yourself a software. There's a bunch of links in the description for a bunch of ones that I recommend. They are affiliate links. I do get paid if you sign up with them. The money doesn't come from you. But other than that, get the software. I don't care what software you want. Just look into them. I got interviews with them too. And then you can actually have on that software, it's going to tell your customer, hey, you need a snow cone machine with this bounce house or with this tent. And they have to click off of it. No, I don't want that. Or else it charges them. You don't have to do that. You could put that on there. That's a sales tactic. There's a bunch of sales and upsells tactics you could put on your websites. You can have it offered at the bottom of your page. Concessions, packages, all that stuff. Tables and chairs, add-ons. And in this way, it keeps track of them all too. So it's not going to sell something to your customer that's not available because somebody already booked it. And that's the game changer. That's what's going to save you more money and make you more efficient. That's the best way to do add-ons. Like and subscribe if you want some more videos, everybody. Hope you guys are having a happy new year and getting everything done the right way. Remember, do the right thing.